welcome informers to our new show that we are following basically D-apps and wallets and all things crypto when it comes to their apps that they have been starting to produce. It doesn't really matter what blockchain that it's on, but we're going to be looking at all different kinds. And today we're going to go ahead and take a look at, as you can see on the screen, EOSLynx. Now, EOSLynx, obviously I'm using an Android, so I got mine off the Google Play Store. It's been working great. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and it's really pretty neat. Type of a wallet and browser. You can do a couple different things with it, so it's pretty cool. So we're going to get in here and go ahead and take a look. So when you start, you're going to have to make an account, and when you make your account, which I've already made, it is usually $1.99, which isn't that bad, really. I mean, $1.99 for a really well-made app is pretty good. And so once you make your wallet, it takes 12 characters, all lowercase, and I think the numbers are like 1 through 4 is what you can choose for your EOS address. And it's super simple to be able to move currency around and stuff like that and send to other people. It's pretty neat. So you can go ahead and set a PIN or use a fingerprint, and I'm using a fingerprint because I'd rather use the fingerprint than try to remember a PIN. So as you can see at the top there, you can see my EOS address is DIGITALINFOR, or digital in4. And so these 12 lowercase letters, that's how you receive EOS on this app, or any of the other currencies for that matter, that they go ahead and that are available on this app. So I'm just going to start from the top and work my way down. But so you have your QR code that people can scan if they want to go ahead and send you crypto. Feel free to do so. And then on the top right here, or in the middle, you can actually click on that and create a different account or import another account. So you can have multiple accounts on the same app, which is kind of nice. Over here, it shows where your account resources are. This specifically for EOS shows you the CPU, the network, and the RAM. Now, you have to have some EOS on the app to be able to do any of the different functions. You can also buy more RAM. I'm just going to enter a random amount here, and it'll show you how many bytes you get for it. So I'm going to go back here. So with the app, you can also check on the View Account Explorer, and that's going to take you to like the account's webpage, which will show you all the transactions and stuff like that. But you can actually see the transactions here on the app. So I'm going to look at the EOS one first, and it'll show me the transactions. It'll show me about what that blockchain is, along with the official website, the supply, max supply, current price, the contract, and the issuer. I can send and receive from this screen as well. You can do that with all of the different ones. This is Lynx, which I don't have any of. And of course, Shipple.io, Shill. It shows all the different cool transactions that you can do. It tells you a little bit about it. And has the official website along with the supply, max supply, current price, contract, and issuer, same as the other one. And then, so here is a list of all of the tokens that they go ahead and support, which they support a ton of different tokens. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, all the way through, and I keep scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, and it's still there. So they support a ton of different EOS-based tokens. So I'm going to go ahead and hit done. The other thing that's really neat about this app is that you can actually go to the Explorer, and they do have the ability to explore some of the blockchain. And I've messed around with this a little bit, and it seems to work just fine. I'm just not interested in betting apps and some of the other stuff, but you can go through, and they have quite a bit of stuff on here for you to take a look at. And it's a lot of fun. So everything you do kind of costs a little bit of EOS as your transactions are, but it's pretty neat. You're also able to go ahead and invite friends, so you can share a link to help grow the community that's here. And in your settings, you have your key management, your support. You can join in any links discussion on their Telegram page, and then you can rate and review it. But overall, it's a really cool, really nice, crisp app. And I highly suggest that if you are a fan of EOS or a fan of any of EOS-based tokens, this is definitely one of the apps to get. And for $1.99, it's really pretty worth it. So thank you so much for joining me. I'm the Digital Asset Informer. Like I said, this is going to be a new series that we are going to be doing a lot more often, checking out all the different kinds of apps that involve crypto that are available. We will be checking out a lot of different D-apps that are going to be on different blockchains, whether that's EOS or Tron or any of the other ones. So hopefully you'll stick around and take a look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. I would absolutely love it. We're trying to hit 100 subscribers this month, so that would all be a very big help. Thank you so much. Feel free to leave any comments down below on how you think this video did, and if you have any suggestions for apps that you want us to take a look at, go ahead and put them down in the comments below. So thanks. Have a good one, Informers.